If we've all got the same answer, we must be asking the wrong question. When I went to school, we had maths textbooks. They had pages and pages of questions. Maybe your school had them too. The best thing about maths textbooks was the fact that we knew the answers were in the back. We knew that every question had one solution, a correct answer, and we could find it by surreptitiously flipping through to the back and unobtrusively scanning through to find the one we wanted. Why do we demand a single universal solution in mathematics? What has happened to mathematics if we've stopped looking for new ways, different ways, unconventional ways, dare I say it, creative ways? Where has the creativity gone in mathematics education? If we want to see students respond in creative and individual ways in our classrooms, we need to be asking them the right questions. We need to be asking questions that provoke, questions that challenge assumptions, questions that move them from the known to the unknown, questions that are ambiguous and difficult. I have 3 questions that I like to use in the classroom to challenge my students to think creatively about mathematics. Question 1, is there another way? Once you've found a solution, can you find another way to solve it? Question 2, what connections can you see? I want my students to find links to their previous learning, to find connections to the real world, and to find applications for what they have learnt. Finally, I like to ask, is that always true? Once we have a solution, or many solutions, I want to find a proof, a rule, a generalisation that we can refer back to in the future. These 3 simple questions help me to get my students to think differently about the mathematical process, think independently, think divergently, think creatively. The process of creativity, putting together 2 things to make a new thing, is embedded in the nature of mathematics. It should be no surprise that the story of mathematics is rich in discoveries resulting from this creative process. Consider Archimedes, Fibonacci, Sir Isaac Newton, all mathematicians open to the creative process. We should be encouraging our students to find their own mathematical connections in art and in music, in sport and in science, in language and in history, in scuba diving and in skateboarding. There is a word to describe this bringing together of different ideas across a range of contexts. This word is not found in many dictionaries. The spell check on your computer will tell you it's not a real word at all. But this word that emphasises and underlines a creative process by bringing together disparate ideas to produce new and exciting creations, this word should be familiar to all of us and should underline all our teaching, including the teaching of mathematics. And this word is